Hi bears, welcome to class. So I'm going to go ahead and go over this week's lessons in our class. All right, so as you can see, today is September 16th, 2020. We always have social studies on a B day. So at the beginning of class, we always go over how we're feeling on a scale of 1 to 5. Students can respond verbally or non-verbally by showing me on their hands or typing in the chat or answering when it's their turn to share. Next, this week we're talking about our autobiographical slides. So our guiding questions for this week for all 3 social studies classes are: who is my classmate? How are we similar? And how are we different? We also talk about the definition of the word autobiography. So some students share their presentations and they discuss. Students who turn the assignments in late can discuss during class what their slide means to them. So we're sharing images and words that represent ourselves. Then, also, sorry to mention, that assignment should be completed via Canvas. If it hasn't been completed yet, it needs to be done. Next, we review the definition of an autobiography. The highlighted words are the words that I want the students to focus on. So in this lesson, we'll learn about how to tell our stories. An autobiography is a story about one's life written by the person. The writer is attempting to convey their life experiences through words on the page, and that's exactly what we've been working on. Next, we watch a short informational video about how to write an autobiography. I'm going to go ahead and click play. All right, so that's where we're going to go ahead and end that. Our next slide, we are continuing to talk about what we just saw in the video. So using the expanding expression tool or the EET tool that we've been reviewing for 2 weeks, you're going to write your autobiography. So each student on Monday was given a slide where they need to complete the fill in the blank sections and answer it about themselves. This is a tool that we're using to write our own autobiography. We've reviewed this multiple times in class and it's available to you on Canvas as well as in the slideshow. So this is my example of things that I identify with that coincide with the different dots from the EET tool. So each student is expected to write at least 1 sentence for the boxes. I went ahead and filled in more so students could have some more information about me. You're welcome to write as much as you'd like, but these are some important topics that I felt I wanted to mention about according to the circles, the green group, the blue circle, the pink circle, pink parts. So again, this is an example. Every student will also be provided with the slideshow. So I will, just a sec, I will share that on Canvas. The title of the assignment is called, let me look. It is called Ticket Out the Door 914. This needs to be completed this week. Lastly, so we're going to go over our to-dos for the independent learning time for our session. So the assignment is to finish filling out your circles. This is the assignment that's called the Ticket Out the Door activity. Lastly, we go to Canvas, click on Social Studies class, go to Assignments, click on My Autobiography.